Hey guys, today's video I'm gonna set up a new planner or a new traveler's notebook for next year 2022. So recently I just bought a camel version traveler's notebook. I got it from Janethecrazy during the sale, 12/12 sale. So it was slightly cheaper and I'm very happy with the discount. So as for this, I've been using since 2020. I'm not sure if you can see there's actually a little stamp sign. It shows 2020. So I'm thinking maybe I should start afresh, like a completely new leather cover for next year. So if you're planning to get a traveler's notebook, this will be a good video reference for you to see how I actually remove and set up with a few different inserts. It's been too long for me to open a new fresh traveler's notebook, so it feels kinda... I feel excited. Oh yes. My favorite color of traveler's notebook would be camel. This is camel. Maybe you can't really tell from the color here, but there's a huge difference. And I think I should actually... Should I? Nah, I'm not gonna do anything at first. I'm not gonna do anything first. So this is... it smells great. Am I the only one doing this? I'm sure I'm not the only one, right? Right. Then every time when you buy a new traveler's notebook, it comes with a blank insert, which I really rarely use, like super blank ones. Sorry about that, that's a bike, really loud bike. Maybe you can hear that. So this is how a new insert looks like inside. It's still quite hard, but I'm sure the longer I use it's gonna be softened. Oh wait, I actually forgot to take a picture of it before I do anything. Let me take a picture. So this is... the half frame. Yeah, half frame. Maybe I should just stick. So I just got this camera. This is the Instax Mini Evo, which is the latest Instax hybrid camera slash printer. So maybe you can see how am I gonna test it out in here. And the cool thing is that you don't need to immediately print out the images. And it works kind of like a printer. This one, yeah. And then when you print, there's a really cool print level instead of a button. How cool is this? And I'm using a Fuji Instax black frame Instax. I'm going to print this as well. Should I? I think I will. Okay, let me print it. So this is my recent setup. There's some insert I'm still using, but I'm gonna leave it here, and for some it will be next year. And then I also took out some 2021 that I kept in the drawer, and then I will keep these in here, 2021. And whatever that I need for next year, it will be here. Okay, let me show you how I'm just not gonna talk, and you can just see how I do it. So this is October until December. I'm gonna finish the rest of it for this year. And I think this is going to remain here in this journal here, and then these are the one that I'm gonna move to 2022. There's actually a strap here to support. I also bought these tags, which I'm going to use for this journal. Let me set up everything first. So there's a few inserts here. I'm going to put it in here as well, but I'm gonna mix it. Like, this is the balance from the previous insert. This is a pocket craft, I think, insert, and this is grid, and this I got it from Hong Kong when I was there in 2019, right before COVID. And as I really like the cover, but this comes with craft insert, like this is craft, so I don't think I'll be using all, so I'm gonna mix it up with grit, and craft and this into one book, as this is the cover, and then I'm gonna mix it, put it in here. I know I'm not using the perfect stapler, but I didn't want to buy a new one just to staple this, So I'm just using whatever I have. Okay, whatever. Okay, I think this will do. It might not gonna stay, but yeah, I don't, and it's not really perfect, so I don't really mind. So this is how it is. Just be careful, like not to put too thick, and you definitely need a much stronger, bigger stapler. And if you could, you know, some people, they could actually like sew them, and which you can do that as well, but I did not because I don't know how to do it. So there it goes. This is one of my inserts. You look at it, it's not perfect, so I'm like, yeah, whatever. So this is how I usually do it, and I'm gonna add my sticker release book in here. I'm gonna just add this into this. It's gonna be behind here. This is the existing strap. So this, oh god, it's so thick. So there's four. I think it's too thick. Yeah, I might not gonna use this. Okay, maybe without this book. I'm just gonna leave it. Maybe I'm gonna do this. It works as well. Notebook for 2022, and I'm gonna use this, like this for this. It's too late. It's too late. So just leave it first. We'll see what I'm gonna put. The name, yeah, my name definitely, and I'm gonna add a charm here. So I got this from a Chinese temple, and this is my Chinese sign. I'm a rat. I'm gonna put it in here. Do it this way. Think about if it's too tight. Think about transferable. You can always adjust it. So here, this is my charm now. might gonna change it later, and this is the one that I'm using right now. I'm gonna just put them in here. No, wait, actually I think I'm gonna stamp here to initial. It's for 2022 so that I would know. Well, actually you can use like a different stamp, but I'm only using like a Kaivo stamp maybe. Let me get, yeah, I'll get this 2021, 2022. Perfect. It's just perfect. Love it. I love it. I love it. I super love it. Wow. Wow. Perfect. I like this. So it's actually a Kaivo ink in green from Ranger, but it's like a black here. And it's perfect. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my god. Can't wait to use it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.